The boys are currently in Illinois at the PBA Illinois Classic, and last night was rounds 3 and 4 of the PBA Elite League. We've got a fun and simple video for you today. There's not a lot of fancy editing, just Packy mic'd up at the PBA League. Hope you guys enjoy.
Oh well. Barney. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Push.
Biscuit.
Limp biscuit. All right.
Oh, all right.
All right. We'll take that. We'll take that one.
2.
Hook.
There you go. That's right. Hi, boss.
There we go. Yeah. Ah! Good shot.
2.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Oh, lean on him. Lean on him.
Good time. I got lots of fun.
Hi, Martha. Come on.
So many.
Thing or whatever that is for the over 70s.
Where's the 7 pin? Wheel. Yeah.
Well, it's half.
All right. I got you. Come on. Thanks.
Come on, Richie. Right here. Set it up. Tink, tink.
I cannot hook it a 10 pin. I don't know. 6 pins and 10 pins, I'll never hook it. Hook, 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 hook. Roll it. No! Don't do that. No! Oh, that's better. Lean it. Hey. Oh!
Guys,
Did that fall or did it touch? What?
Yeah.
Jacob said the rack didn't hit it.
I don't think the right.
Jake,
That's wild.
do it. All right.
All right.
Right, DJ, good shot.
Copy.
Fair enough.
Good shot, kid. Good spare. Good spare. Good shot, too. You can go in here. That's pretty good. All right, come on.
Come on, Mark.
I'll just go softer on the shot there. 3
They
pin.
were kind of
Yeah.
the same thing. They're starting to pick up the wrong.
Push.
They need to be a little bit softer.
There you go, Richie. There you go. All
Come on, Marty.
right, Barnes, give us a good one here. Come on.
Give it a friend.
I picked up my urethane ball and I was like, this is funny. Do it. All right.
All right, good shot.
That.
Zing up.
Push. Yo. Is everyone else's? Oh. Shot, okay, come on. Sir. Come on. Come on. A little slower on that one.
Dude, that's so good. You can have 2.
All right. All right, come on.
3.
The shot. Okay. That's a good spare. What?
Wow.
What was that? Oh, that's pretty good. All right.
All right.
Good shot, BJ.
Come on, Mark. Come on.
Shot, BJ. Hook, 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 hook. All right, come
All
on.
right, come on. You wanna- come on.
Come on. Reaping again.
Stay with it.
Reaping, reaping.
Let's have some fun on this one.
Come on, go.
Good job, boss.
Good
Good
work, Packy. Good work.
I got you. Ugly. Shot, Richie. All right.
All right, come on. Shot, Mark.
All right, good shot there.
Come on.
Oh, yeah.
You threw it?
Oh, what the?
All right, come on.
All right, we're here by the way.
I had a couple go.
My last one over here did the same thing in practice. I was like, that's pretty good. Pop.
Yeah, boys.
It's pretty good. Yeah, all right. Let me get there today.
All right, go.
Come on, Packy.
Come on, you next
Shot. Come on. Come on.
Bottom
Come
up,
on.
Tees.
That was beautiful. Hang on a second, wait.
Yeah. I need that recliner back. Oh, push. All right.
All right.
I'll
That's a
take-
good result.
By the way, I'll take the fork and I'll.
Yeah. Good shot, Barnes.
Okay, good.
Be able to go back that way and like throw a shot over there. Ask Tony. Tony. He was right here. Shot, Beach. There we go. All right, right here, Marshall. Back into the pocket. Close. There you go. There you go.
Let's go.
All right.
All right, so.
Thinking about flipping Richie and Kyle, right? Or do you want, or do we want to switch lead off? We're thinking, do you want to move up to first? Let the fielder keep Kyle first.
Keep routine. I've thrown 3 shots in the last hour.
Okay.
I think he's got to go.
That was my answer.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's my
Keep him
answer.
in. Yeah,
That's my
no, he's
answer.
fine.
That's
All
fine.
right, let's do it. Back on, back on.
I mean, some of it has to be really.
Yeah. Push. All right. Good shot, Richie. Ew.
I swear that I live in it. I swear that
I
Sal had a walker
live in
going
it.
across.
Yes. Yeah, you don't want to think from next match a week from now if you miss a spare, you're all right. Shot, big dog. Come on. It's basketball. Just it's a tough watch. Push. Yeah, good shot. Good shot, okay, come on. Good. Come on, come on.
Come on. No. One good winner.
On purpose.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Okay, maybe not. Push. Yeah, beach. There we go.
Boy, B.
There we go. Oh my. Yee.
That was pretty good.
Do it. Yeah. Sneak him down. Sneak him down, kid.
Good work there. Good work. Good work.
Yeah! Give me one!
Yeah, baby. Come on. You left L out.
Great shots. Come on, stay down.
Nice job. Great work. Great work.
You too.
Zach, you said the first. That was
I think he
your
makes
first
a move
thing.
at striking.
Right, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do one,
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
2, and
You make that move and
Doesn't
striking.
matter.
Come on.
Absolutely. Same order.
That's pretty close. Good shot. Good shot. Shot there, kid. Come on. Good shot. All right, come on, Beach. Right here. Good shot, kid.
Yes, sir. At the post. All right, great shot. All right, let's go.
Good shot, too. Damn.
Yes, shot.
That's pretty good. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.
Good.
Performance of that thing.
All right. Guys, good balling. Good balling. That was fun. Good balling. Good balling. Good balling. Good balling, Sam.
Way to help me out, boys.
Nah, dude, come on now.
Team efforts, my man.
6 of us for a reason, right?
We're undefeated since I came back.
Yeah,
Okay. Because like since you guys have been here and we haven't had a sub, yes, too many.
I
That's
know
all
I
I
don't
know.
like what I have out here. I ain't throwing this thing tomorrow.
I'm probably throwing the black ball tomorrow.
Yeah, yours is fine. I don't have any. I'm
No
fucking
confidence.
way too much hoping.
Yeah, like please strike instead of that's good. That's 10. I appreciate your pep talk, by the way.
Thank you guys.
Let's go.
Big double.
Big dubs. A lot of three pins.
in the
A lot
top
of three
five.
pins.
That's okay.
Battle back, right? Battle back. Doesn't matter how it gets done, as long as it gets done. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.